camping, and so this is how we do it. If you got a van, we have an LD, or I've got an LD van, G10 23 model, and this is what we've done. So we've got a blow up mattress, some pillows. We've got the esky down there, and all our odds and ends that we need, like cooking stuff and whatever. Yeah, so we've got a couple of chairs to put our butts on, and I've got an esky full of beer and food and all that. So what we're going to do when we get up there on the first night, which is tonight, we're going to just heat up our food. So it's just nice and easy, and it's not, you know, we're not cooking, we'll just heat it up, heat some rice up, and away we go. But tomorrow night, Saturday night, we'll do a cook up. So this is how we're going to do it, and yeah, we're going away for a couple of nights, and we're sleeping here. I've got a fan that'll just hook up on the cargo barrier there, and that'll just keep the air circulating. What I've got here, I'm going to put here, is a mosquito net, and I'll show you that later when we're all set up. So we'll have a mosquito net. If we need to duck out at 2 o'clock in the morning and go and have a bit of a trinkle by the tree, we can sneak out by the doors. All right, let's get going. Okay, so we've arrived camping, and this is the place they call Maya National Park. And it's a beautiful spot. It's lovely and quiet. So it's just on dusk, or the afternoon is closing, and there's a few kangaroos around, or wallabies around. So we've got some tents over there. And let me just show you what we've done over here. Oh, there's some cows over there. So the cows walk freely amongst us if they want to. And just over the hill over there, or just over the hill over there is your toilets and showers. And there's a pond just over that where the trees are. There's a pond there. And let me show you what I've done with the van. Okay, so that there at the back there is a mosquito net. So I put all that together, just using pegs on the rubber, put it together, and that's where we're going to sleep tonight. It'll be great, it'll be comfortable, that's a nice air bed. So yeah, it'll be great, be really nice. And I've got a fan there, should I need it. Keep me cool, or keep us cool. So, and that's our cooking area. This is where Cecilia's just, as we said Friday night, we would just have a heat up, and that's a heat up. Tomorrow night we're cooking. So this is our little campsite area. And over here, that's Dan and Candy. We're going to light that a bit later for our bonfire. And that's the oh, that's a nice tent, nice bed, nice comfy. Yeah. And that's the rest of it. The campsite over there. See the cows? There's cows right over there, and some other people camping there. So it's quite good. There's some swings there. So it's going to be really, really lovely. And later on, I'll show you the stars. We decided to park underneath the trees because it's given us a bit of shade, and it's going to be a lot cooler. Anyway, if I see any wallabies or kangaroos about, I shall turn the camera on and show you them. So we've got a cow down here going up his head and doing a lot of mooing. So those people there that are camping there, they've had a couple of dogs and they've just put them inside the van.
And take care of the family.
So what he's doing, he's mooing, and with those cows that are on the other side of the fence, He's probably trying to shoo him away because he's got his family here with him. They've got a couple of little calves. I'll show you them. There you go. That's that's one of the little cows. There's another one. Oh, he's a bit bigger. No, he's not. He's probably a teenager. That one there is probably an infant or a really young guy. Yeah, so they're down there trying to tell these guys to piss off. They're big cows. Yeah, big boys them ones. Wouldn't we want to mess with them? Okay, that's tonight's dinner. Nice Filipino food. Here we go. And we've had dinner, and how was it?
Awesome.
It's okay.
Beautiful.
Purple. Put the
Okay, there's our first little kangaroo we sighted for the night. Yeah. So there'll be a few of those wandering around. And yeah, I look forward to seeing more of them. They look beautiful, eh? Okay, there he is. Having a bit of a feed, bit of a look around.
I don't know. They have to clean for water on.
Yeah,
But they have toilet.
very nice. And this is our campsite for the night. Thought we'd light the fire a bit early to clear the mozzies.
So, Cecile, did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Was alright?
Yes.
Yeah, I had a good sleep. Got up about 1 o'clock and
Pee.
went to the toilet. I had to escort Cecilia up there. Otherwise I just would have went near a tree. And I have this, a sleep apnea. So I sleep with that. Was that noisy or was it okay?
It's good.
Was it alright?
Very quiet.
Very quiet?
Mm.
Oh, that's good. So yeah. We're just going to relax here for a while and
Prepare for the day soon.
see what we're going to do today. But yeah, it's lovely and relaxing. Very peaceful and quiet. We saw a bunny rabbit as we were going to the toilet last night, running around. Okay, so that was how we slept. Uphill. I think we might turn the van around. Sleep downhill tonight. And there we are. Coffee being made. Fantastic. It's the campsite in the morning. Looking good. And people having their morning coffees. Camping. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so that's our campsite. And up to the amenities I go. Some campers. Nice shady spot down there. Yeah. Quite nice. Okay, so this is the amenities. Toilets, showers. And there's Cecilia. Hello.
My husband.
Coming now. So I think you might be able to rent those out, the cabins. And then you've got your amenities. And yeah, so I'm pretty sure that they're cabins you can rent out if you want to. And there we go. Very peaceful and quiet. Campfire if you wanted to bring heaps of people or everybody sing around the campfire, singing songs. Cecilia likes to sing.
This one is for a group.
Yeah. Sing around the campfire.
If you're having a party in here, then you pay for the food.
We might have Cecilia's 60th birthday here. That's how long we got to wait for that?
30 years.
30 years.
Yeah. Don't you think so?
Never disagree with the wife.
Yeah.
There we go, we've got campers down there. And you can bring your dogs too if you want to. But dogs have got to remain on a leash when you're walking them around. And there we are. Campsite. So now to go and have a coffee. Lovely. Okay, so the morning cooks.
Yeah. Bacon.
We're having bacon and egg, tomato.
Yeah.
And yeah, very good. You want to put some you want some ham as well? There's ham in the esky if you want to put it in there as well.
Oh yeah.
Okay, no, we won't be having duck for dinner.
This
We'll let them go and enjoy their peaceful surroundings. And they couldn't be in a better place out here in nature.
Yeah.
Away, you see a lot of them in suburbia around the creeks and the parks, but here is the best place for them. Yeah.
This one don't need a cooked egg. Yeah. This one don't need.
Bacon and eggs.
Because,
So the ladies are cooking and the guys are relaxing.
Chilling with coffee.
Okay, so we set the gazebo up in the shade for breakfast. We're ready to go. Okay, so this is what Dan has brought with camping. He's got the battery, and he connects the battery to the solar panel, and the solar panel keeps the fridge going. And he's got a couple of fans there. But yeah, so great idea. It's a fridge freezer, and yeah, keeps everything nice and cool. So that's another option you have when you go away. You can buy the battery, get the solar, connect it up, and the solar will keep the fridge charged. You can feed these guys if you want, carrots, and they'll come over. No worries about that, but yeah.
Is that all the sticks? Someone's inviting me. No, it's alright.
Wow, there's enough there to feed everybody in
You think?
town.
Nah, not enough. That's a snack.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah, look at
So
the
we got kebabs,
cracking.
it's already
kebabs with pork belly, and onion. Is that right, or just pork belly?
Pork belly, spices, some garlic for spices,
Yep.
and that's about it.
And over here we got corn on the fire, and sausage. Oh, these ones here,
Filipino.
Filipino sausages.
Chorizo. It's a chorizo.
Chorizo,
Yeah.
a rump steak, and some Aussie sausages. Very good.
One piece of combo.
Very good.
That's nice now.
Hi, Candy. So we've come to the end of our stay at Maya Nature Park. I'll put that up on the screen. Yeah, so some more cows. Lots of cows around here, but plenty of nature. And plenty of places. Yeah, so that's where we've been camped for the last couple of days. Great spot to camp, under the trees, bit of shade, and yeah, I saw a kangaroo this morning hopping around, and there are cows popping around as well, as you've seen. So that's the homestead of the people that own the property, and we're on 50 acres. If you go up over into there, there's a trail, a bushwalking trail, which takes you all the way around and finishes up on the other side over there. So you can do that, or if you're feeling a bit hot, you can go down there and swim in the pond. But yeah, so that's our campsite, and I'll show you the way in.
So we're leaving today, Sunday. That noise, is that the swing or is it you girls? You sure? It's not you girls? Okay.
1, 2, smile. One more. 1, 2, smile.
Okay, so that's the drive up coming in. Or actually, that's going out. And this is coming in. And that's the entrance to the park or the camping grounds. And you just go straight up through there, turn left, and the camping grounds are around there, all around everywhere, as you've seen. So yeah, so we're going out now. We're going out that way. Of course, when you come to these places, you've got to open up the gate and close it on your way out. Good wife. Very good wife. Here I go. And look for that on the way in, Maya 49. So this is the road, going up, bit of a hill. It's all gravel, most of it's all gravel all the way. There is part of the road where it's sealed, but mainly gravel all the way. Up over the hill we go. What sort of a view have we got up here? There we go, just mountains. Yeah. And down we go. Now from the road, when you come in from the road, the main highway, truly you wouldn't think anybody lived out this way. But yeah, people actually do. Here they are, a couple of cuties. Couple of cuties they are. There you go. So when you get home tomorrow night, look up YouTube. You'll be on YouTube, okay? Hello. You having a rest, are you? So this is Harry Potter territory. It's all dark. There's some platypuses in there, but you've got to be very quiet to see. They've been sitting around there for a couple of hours just to see a platypus. And there's our sealed road. We had a great time. We had a great weekend with our friends.
It's good.
It was really good. Great place to camp. Highly recommend it. So don't forget, if you want to go, it's 2 hours north of Brisbane, and it's very relaxing. And the people that own the property, really lovely people, and you're well looked after. They've got showers there, toilets there, and
Good hot shower.
so it's really good. Anyway, till next time, take care.